Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to build a strong deck in Clash Royale. And I have two ways how we can do this. And the first way is just go here to the three lines in the top, click on TV Royale, go to Ultimate Champion right here, ranked, and then search right here for good decks that people are using. This is the first way. The second way is go to your collection deck. Now let's say we want to change it a little bit because we want more decks that we can edit. But let's say, for example, this deck. Now let's say we delete this and we click here on add deck, and now we have an empty deck. Alright, the first thing that we need to do is we need to build a deck around a win condition. And that means a Hawk Rider, Giant or Golem, so a tank push, a siege like X-Bow or Mortar, or just a Royal Giant or Balloon. Because we need to pick one card that is our win condition, and when we have that we can go further. So now, for example, we use the Hawk Rider, that is our first card. Then what we need to do is we need to add some cards that will help our Hawk Rider, so support cards. So let's say for our Hawk Rider, we want to add a spell. So for example, the arrows, and we want to add a support troop. So let's say an Electro Wizard, Baby Dragon, Musketeer. Now a Musketeer to support our Hawk Rider, that is a good pick. And then we will also want a building to defend. So let's say we want to use the cannon. So right now we have already 4 cards, and this is great for using in our deck already. Because what we also want is that we have defense for air and for ground. Now we have that with the cannon and the musketeer. So right now we have already 4 good cards. So right now what we want to do is we want to add more support troops or maybe spells. So let's say we want to add the lock. I want to add also an Ice Spirit because we want to hold the elixir cost between 3 and 4. So we can use it very quick in the cycle deck. And then let's say we want to add maybe skeletons to also quick cycle. And we want to use, let's see, a knight. Where is the knight? Oh, the knight is right here, the knight. So what we did was in the first step, choose a win condition, then add some supported cards to it, hold your elixir cost around 3 and 4, and then you can try your deck and change every time something in your deck. And the first way also is go right here to just the middle, and then the TV Royale, and here are also many strong decks. So these are the 2 ways how to build a strong deck. Hopefully I can help you out with this tutorial. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.